Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create effective ad campaigns with AdEspresso easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create effective ad campaigns with AdEspresso, start by signing up for an account on the AdEspresso website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you will find options to create new campaigns. Click on the Create New Campaign button to begin. Choose the platform for your ad campaign, such as Facebook, Instagram, or Google Ads. Select the campaign objective that aligns with your marketing goals. Next, define your target audience by setting parameters like demographics, interests, and behaviors. AdEspresso allows for advanced targeting, so take advantage of options like lookalike audiences or custom audiences. After setting your audience, move on to the Ad Placements section. You can select automatic placements or customize them to fit your needs. Now, it's time to create your ad creatives. Choose the format of your ad, such as single image, carousel, or video. Upload your visuals and craft compelling ad copy that resonates with your audience. Make sure to include a strong call to action to encourage engagement. Once your creative is finalized, proceed to the Budget and Schedule section. Set your daily or lifetime budget based on your campaign goals. Decide on the campaign duration to optimize your ad spending. After configuring your budget, review your campaign settings for accuracy. Double-check your audience, placements, and creatives before launching. When everything looks good, click the Launch Campaign button. AdEspresso provides real-time analytics for your campaigns. Monitor your performance metrics to see how well your ads are doing. Use the insights gained to adjust your campaigns as necessary for optimal results. Experiment with A/B testing to determine which ads perform best. Continue refining your strategies based on the data to enhance your ad effectiveness over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.